All right. Okay, IP. Back to it. So IP is sacred. All IP is sacred. If it is an IP and it is not a service deal. And most people are not understanding this. You know, when you have this conversation in regular rooms of storytelling and Bollywood and this and that, there is this whole trader mentality that I'm subjected to. There is this template which is already broken that I'm subjected to, and it is an assault on your senses, because what you're realizing is, outside of Mahabharata and Gita and everything else that India kind of brings on the table, we are people who tell stories in decades, who have characters who are perpetual. We have worlds which are past, present, and future combined, which are infinite worlds. You can actually use your imagination for a very, very long time if you're intentional about it, if you're intense about it. And I'm intense and intentional, and I think that is a double whammy in a way. But sacred IPs. The creation of sacred IPs is a very different game. It will not be done with traders. It will not be done with people who are having conversations with you, which is contract, legalese, this, that, etc. You have to go back to gut. You have to go back to passion. You have to go back to meaning. You have to go back to, I want to do this because I want to do this, and I don't care about your rules because there are no rules. And the outside perspective is, I think, also broken at the moment. When Karan Johar unfollows the entire industry, and suddenly the mummy papa version of reality is not working, and all the cliquiness is not coming to your rescue. What will come to your rescue? What will come to your rescue is intention. What will come to your rescue is meaning. What will come to your rescue is a long play. What will come to your rescue is per unit economics. What will come to your rescue is authenticity. What will come to your rescue is just doing stuff because you want to and because you can. There is no other reason. It's not you cannot seek love and approval from the past. You cannot seek it from the future either. You have to do this in the moment. In the moment, you just do right by the next 18 hours, the next 5 minutes, or the next 1 minute, and that's that. Most people get so caught up in the past and the future that they are not able to move an inch in the moment. I think the entire quest of creating sacred IPs is to stay in the moment. It is to completely ignore the past, completely ignore the future. Just do what is needed at the moment, to the best of your ability. What else can you do? Then climbing a mountain requires one step at a time, and you may fall, and that's all right. And you may rise up and reach the top, and then, like, okay, what next? There is no end to this. All you have is a core and intention and sensibility, and nothing more. Most people get caught in stuff that really doesn't matter. The trader, the template, this is how it's done, is the problem. Don't listen to it. And I'm saying this as somebody who's in it. Don't listen to it. It's hubris. It's distraction. Doesn't really matter. Ignore it. Walk away. Seriously, sacred. IP is sacred.